Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off screen capture tone in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, in your phone, take a screenshot. There will be a sound. While capturing screen, there will be a small sound. Okay, if you would like to turn off the sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select screen capture tone. Just turn off this button so that you will not get any vibration, any sound while taking a screenshot. Now I am going to take a screenshot from this page itself. Yes, I don't have any sound while capturing the screen. Okay, so in this way we can easily turn off screen capture sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.